Okay, Harrison, what are you making for us today?
A jelly fruit. A
jelly-
homemade one.
Oh, okay.
It's not jelly in it, but it isn't shaped as a fruit.
Right.
So it's not any of them. It's just,
Okay.
don't know why they called it that. So you need to get a freeze bag.
Mm-hmm.
Put the corner into the cup. Corner part and push it down. And then you're going to make sure it looks like this.
Okay, yeah. So that's the corner of the bag goes to the bottom of the cup.
Not the very bottom. And then you get any drink. I'm just using water.
What, so you can use fruit juice or...
You can use anything.
Okay.
Like any
Lemonade?
drinks. Yeah.
Okay.
Just make sure you don't make it too big, because when they pop, they go everywhere.
Okay.
If you don't keep it in your mouth.
All right. Okay.
So you put your drink in there.
All right. Oh, okay.
And you keep it at the corner.
Yep.
And then you twist it until the bag looks like it's gonna pop, but keep twisting it over the cup just in case it's about to pop.
Good idea.
Just
okay.
in case it
yep.
pops.
Mm-hmm. So you could use milkshake, or you could use...
And then
Anything
when the bag's pretty much about to pop,
Yeah.
there you go.
It's like a strawberry.
Yeah, pretty much is a strawberry.
Ah,
And then-
okay. Then what are you doing?
Put it in your mouth and
Yeah.
then you pop it.
Oh, go on then. Oh. And that was just water. What would you do if that was lemonade? Oh, was that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what do you do? Are you sure that was just water? Okay.
Sometimes it pops out too fast and then
All
just
right.
goes.
Oh, okay.
So you can use any drink.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's it. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.